Happy morning, children. How are you all? Are you safe at home? Okay, children, today I am going to teach you birds. Last week we learned birds, no children, which can fly and which cannot fly. Some birds, no children. Okay, children, today I am going to teach you an activity about this. Okay, children, let's do the activity. Come on. Okay, so first we learn the birds, then I do the activity for you. Okay, children, come on. What picture is this, children? Ostrich. What picture is this? Ostrich. What picture is this, children? Parrot. What picture is this? Parrot. What picture is this, children? What bird this is? Penguin. Penguin. What letter is this? What part is this? What bird is this, children? Sparrow. What bird is this? Sparrow. What bird is this? Pigeon. Pigeon. Okay, children, let's learn the birds, no children. Let's do the activity. Come on. So what is told? Tick the birds that fly and cross the birds that do not fly. So what you do? You have to put a tick which birds can fly, and we have to put wrong birds cannot fly. Okay, come on, children. Okay, children. So this is the ostrich. Ostrich can fly, children. Can fly? Yes or no, children? No. So what you have to do, children? Put a wrong. So you have to put a into mark. So wrong you have to put. Okay, children. Okay, which bird can fly, children? Which bird can fly? Parrot. So parrot can fly. So you have to put a tick mark. What you have to put, children? You have to put a tick mark. Okay, children. What is this, children? Sparrow. Sparrow can fly, no, children? Sparrow can't fly. Sparrow can fly. So you have to put a tick. What is this, children? Pigeon. Pigeon can fly, no, children? So you have to put a tick. What is this, children? Penguin. Penguin can fly, children? No. So it can't fly. So you have to put a into mark. Okay, children. Okay, children, let's do a game, children. Come on, let's do a game. So ostrich can fly or no, children? No. So you have to put a into mark. Okay, children, you have to put a into mark. Into mark you have to put, children. So parrot can fly. So you have to put a tick mark. Parrot can fly. Penguin can fly or no, children? No. So you have to put a wrong. Sparrow can fly, children? Yes. So you have put a tick. Pigeon? Yes, pigeon can fly. So you have put a tick mark. Okay, children, now you understood which bird can fly and which bird cannot fly. No, children. Okay, children, practice at home. Bye. Take care.